Hey everyone, if you're into the big BMX bikes, I got a video for you. This is Lloyd from Bumstead Bikes, and we just got in SE's newest Fast Ripper. This model comes in kind of a metallic black with the iridescent decals on it. Good looking bike. Not flashy, but can be kind of flashy if the sun hits it right. So everybody's familiar with the Big Ripper, been around for years. What I like about the Fast Ripper is you're getting a lot of guys that are riding these bikes and they're going on group rides, 15, 20, 25 miles. It helps to have some gears. Here in Southern California, we have mountains and hills. Yes, you can do it on a single speed, and guys do it all the time. But if you're one of the older guys like me, it sure helps to have gears. So that is what the Fast Ripper is. And they did not skimp. They went with the new Shimano Q's drivetrain. This stuff, amazing Shimano. Clean looking, shifts amazing. Just so durable. Again, it's a big BMX bike. You're going to be jumping off of stuff. It even has it for the rear derailleur. Again, the mountain bikers use this. It's a lockout so that normally you're bouncing around a lot. Your chain and derailleur is going to bounce like this. You're going to go do some stuff. Lock out that derailleur. It inhibits the chain slap that you would normally get. Great feature if you're bouncing around a lot, doing all the BMX stuff. Again, amazing Shimano Q's, great quality, durable, comes from Shimano doing years and years of mountain bike stuff. So you're going to be going a lot faster, you're going to need some brakes. Again, Shimano hydraulic brakes. Some of the easiest to work on, best stopping. 2-piston, you could always, some of the guys, especially if they're doing a lot of wheelies, you could always easily upgrade that to a 4-piston brake if you need it. I found they stop great. You keep them clean and adjusted, gonna just do everything you need it to do. Along the lines of the crank also, it's what's called outboard bearing cranks. These guys spin forever, stiff, no creaking, no noise. Great power transfer. Again, the Ripper, loop tail frame, all 7071 aluminum, all the SE components that you're used to on their bikes. Their labeled grips, their stem, their saddle. Just a beautiful all-around bike. If you're in the market for a new big BMX bike, get into your local shop and hopefully they got one of these. If you're here in Southern California, we've got one on display. Come in and check it out. Thanks.